Welcome to the IBM Ethical Hacking with OS Tools Professional Certificate Program. You will master the art of cybersecurity using real-world open-source tools like Kali Linux, Wireshark, Metasploit, and OpenVAS. Module 1 introduces ethical hacking as the authorized practice of detecting vulnerabilities to fix them before they are exploited. The standard methodology involves 5 key phases, from reconnaissance to clearing tracks. This comprehensive curriculum is designed by IBM experts. It spans 6 progressive courses, takes about 4 months to complete, and prepares you for high-growth careers like penetration tester and society analyst. The program roadmap consists of 6 modules. You start with hacking fundamentals and progress through specialized courses on Kali Linux, Metasploit, Wireshark, and OpenVAS, concluding with a capstone project. Course 1, Ethical Hacking Fundamentals, covers ethics, legal frameworks, reconnaissance, and scanning. You'll master key concepts like the CIA triad and use tools like Nmap and 𝐁𝐢𝐿. This 4-week module features 5 modules and a baseline assessment project. The project involves conducting a scoped security assessment and delivering key documents like a risk register and executive summary. Course 2 focuses on Kali Linux, the de facto standard OS for penetration testing. You will gain CLI proficiency, master core tools, and learn to optimize your environment for testing performance. Key learning outcomes for this course include mastering the Linux CLI and securely operating core tools like Nmap and Hydra. The capstone project is building a reusable Red Team toolkit. Course 3 is dedicated to the Metasploit framework. You'll learn to use its architecture of exploits and payloads to simulate sophisticated cyber attacks in a safe, controlled environment. In this deep dive, you'll learn to validate vulnerabilities and manage sessions through post-exploitation. The hands-on labs culminate in a project, a controlled exploitation exercise to compromise a vulnerable VM. Course 4 is Network Traffic Analysis using Wireshark. You will master packet capture, protocol analysis, anomaly detection, and evidence collection to detect network issues and gather forensic data. You'll learn to use display filters, diagnose network performance, and detect threats like port scans. The project involves a beacon hunt case to analyze suspicious PCAP files and identify malicious hosts. Course 5 covers OpenVAS vulnerability management, an enterprise-grade assessment framework. You will learn the GVM architecture, CVSS scoring, and the 4-step assessment lifecycle. The learning outcomes focus on running credentialed scans, interpreting CVSS scores, and creating professional reports. The project is a network vulnerability review, producing a detailed risk matrix and remediation plan. Course 6 is the capstone project, where you execute a complete, simulated penetration test. This 5-stage process integrates all the learned tools: Kali Linux, OpenVAS, Metasploit, and Wireshark. The capstone is a 4-week, multi-stage project with key deliverables, including an executive report, technical report, and live demo. Success metrics require covering 100% of the scope and focusing on business impact. The competency framework highlights the key skills you will gain: Linux administration, reconnaissance, vulnerability assessment, exploitation workflow, packet analysis, and secure reporting. This certificate sets the foundation for high-demand roles like penetration tester, SOC analyst, and vulnerability analyst, with high global job growth and competitive salaries. Program benefits include an IBM digital credential, mastery of real-world tools, and hands-on labs in a safe virtual environment. This flexible learning path is beginner-friendly and career-aligned. Ready to get started? Secure your place in the next cohort to begin your journey toward becoming a certified ethical hacker. Visit our website or call for more details.